This hospital is called Murray Regional. It's a place where Adam's aunt passed away, right?
I think so, yeah. I think she was sent to Murray Regional when she passed away. She stayed here many times before when she had lupus flare-ups.
I remember we visited this area before. Is there a place where we found the electronic store?
No, there's a Trotwood, sorry. Huh?
I feel familiar with this place. Is it the place where we visited the electronic store last time?
Probably, yeah. We visited Best Buy when we met Steve Dykus, my class. Well, he wasn't in the same class as I was, but he went to high school around the same time I did.
It wasn't Best Buy. It was another electronic store.
Circuit City?
Probably. But having said that, is there any Best Buy nearby?
Probably.
We can look up.
Alexa, play Whitney Houston on Amazon Music.
Okay.
It's too close.
50 million songs. Download the Amazon Music app today.
Put a single ember that.
We just got a warning of tornado not long ago, so it looks like the cloud is building up. Hopefully we'll be safe home
Continue on
tonight.
I-840 west for 21 miles.
You want to talk about tornado?
Well, it does kind of look like tornado weather right now.
Yeah.
The clouds are dark.
So is tornado very common in Tennessee?
In certain parts, it's common, like in southern middle Tennessee, or southeastern Tennessee is more common. But compared to other states, it's not as common to have tornadoes.
啊，开始进入到一些丘陵地了，大家可以看到风景很美。
Hey, baby.
Hey, Mom. Can you hear me?
Where are you?
We're on I-24 headed to Chattanooga.
Are you going up to see George's boat?
Yeah, but we'll be back by tomorrow.
Y'all be very, very careful. I told you that your packets come in, and you can pick it up anytime. Or I'll be honest with you, it's not very large.
We're coming back.
Okay. Did y'all have fun at that place last night?
Yeah.
Was it nice?
It was okay. It was kind of expensive. I just got a salad and some cheese breadsticks, and Jason got some mushroom soup and 5 chicken wings, and it was over $30.
Good grief. That sounded like appetizing.
Yeah.
Hell.
We pretty much just had appetizers. We didn't have main dishes, right?
Yeah, we had
Y'all
appetizers.
could have probably got a lot more food somewhere else for less money. Y'all be very careful going to Chattanooga, okay?
We will.
We will. Thank you, Mrs. Ward.
Joe, Georgia, and the kids that I said hey.
Okay.
Gary.
How's your coughing?
It is better. I actually slept all night last night, and that was great.
And we'll be back soon, and we will bring more medicine for you.
Have what?
We'll be back tomorrow and we'll bring more medicine for you.
Oh, no. I am fine. I'm thinking about going. I didn't go today because Pastor went to talk to Steve and Danny about church. And I didn't go to the doctor today, but I'm thinking about tomorrow maybe going to get the shot.
That would make my trip if you go.
Yeah.
I probably will do that because even though I'm better, I've had this for longer than I've ever had anything. And
Yes,
so
definitely.
I want to get over it.
Yep. We support
I
you.
love y'all, and y'all be very careful.
We will. I love you too.
We love you too.
Have fun and tell Georgia
Thank you,
and the
Mrs.
family
Ward.
that I said hi.
Okay.
Okay.
I love you.
Love y'all. Love you. Love Jason too. Be careful.
I love you
will.
too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say dial or correction.
Dial.
Dialing. And Georgia.
Hello.
Hey Georgia, we made it.
Hey.
We're
Y'all down?
we parked next to it looks like a parking garage.
Okay, you're down on the, you're parked down where the gray building.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be down. See
Okay.
you in a minute. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Popping.
A little bit, yeah.
We're headed up into the mountains.